Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can change our profile picture on Uber and Uber Eats. So for that you need to search for Uber on your browser, and after that just open up the very first link that you will see in the search results. And after it opens up, just click on the three lines on the top right corner, and here click on help, then click on driving and delivering. After that, scroll down, and here you will find this option of account and app issues. Just click on it. Then you will find this option of change account settings. Just click on it. And here you will be able to find this option of update my profile photo. So just open it up, and after that just log into your account using your account details, and after that you will have to submit a request to change your profile picture, and you will be able to change your profile picture after that. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.